Let's slide this jacket off and flip the box open like this. First up is another box with a SIM ejector tool, quick start guides, and a jelly case, which is not something that usually comes with high-end phones. A nice touch. And finally, we have the S9 in beautiful lilac purple. If you're upgrading from the S9, this is the color you want to get because it's the only new color this year. Let's peel this off. Look at that. It's beautiful, but let's set it aside for now. Deeper in this box, you'll find a USB adapter with adaptive fast charging, OTG adapter, USB-C cable, and last but not the least, AKG headphones with additional ear tips. I want to briefly show you the user interface, but let's roll the complete spec sheet first. Do note that color options and higher storage options will differ